place which we have been wanting to go for the past 4-5 years.
Next
But
left toward Kolkata Airport Road, then turn left.
one thing or the other always comes cropping up and it was not happening. But here it is. Off to Ladakh, friends. Hello everyone! Finally I have my camera back. We are at Ladakh! Yeah! Like we are at Leh right now. And abhi we are on our way to the market. My sister is with me. Hi! So we're just gonna go and take a tour of the market. Small tour because I'm jet lagged because I've been traveling for 2 days straight. Had a layover flight, and my sisters and my parents, they took a car and we have been traveling from Srinagar. So because it's you good? Okay, the altitude is like it's great. And
hitting me the altitude
is hitting her. Let's give you a look. Like it's completely uphill. Yeah, it's fine. Can you see the mountains?
How to do the market?
The people told me it's 5 minutes for them, so it's going to be 10 to 15 minutes for us, I guess. Wait. Excuse me, the mark is this side. Oh. Hi. The view is amazing. So here's the thing. This trip has been on the cards for what, 4 years? She's too tired. So this trip has been on the cards for 4 years, but somehow or the other it always got cancelled. There were two reasons. First, this is a costly trip. Like, it's not a budget trip at all. The entire if you want to see it like completely, like you have to see everything, and you cannot like give one thing, you cannot miss one thing. it's a costly trip. So that was one of the reasons. And time, like, do you have any idea how difficult it is to get a 15-day holiday from the office and your manager not telling you you don't have to come anymore? So, but this time I was like, forget it, I'm doing it. Despite the fact that we are out of breath, she's not even talking because she's saving breath. But fresh mountain air is good for health. So we have to get our bag done. So let's get to it. Oh, look at this. Oh, finally at the Leh market. I don't think we will be able to visit completely, so this is just window shopping. Now you have got to say something. Don't give me that look. You're just bursting on how happy we're feeling.
Will you buy something today or just see?
If you like something, we'll buy. These are all silver, as far as I know. पहले कुछ खा ले? हाँ, खाना है देख.
Hi guys, so I'm taking over the camera right now because my sister is carrying the bag, so I can talk for a bit now. So we were like really hungry, or especially I am very hungry because I'm not a person who eats much. So we are in search of a restaurant, and unfortunately today, I don't know why, but all the food, like most of the food in the restaurant are sold out. So we are in search of Tibetan kitchen because we heard that is one of the most, one of the places where authentic Tibetan food is sold. So let's hold on to our lucks and see if we can get food there, because if even in that restaurant food is sold out, I don't know, and I might be speaking incoherently because I'm not good with in public vlogging or something. So yeah, let's kind of find it, and we are in search for it still now, and this camera has closed. It's a Tibetan kitchen.
Jora got so excited to see the Tibetan kitchen that she literally closed the camera off. Like, finally, you're gonna get some food. Aye, say positive things na. We'll get food. We'll get something out of it. Like we are so hungry at this point. We need good food. Where is it? Where is it? I think it's inside, right? Yeah, it's inside.
Closed.
Is it closed?
No, China. Closed sign to me.
It's open. I think it's closed. It's closed. Oh, it's closed. Let's open it. Excuse me? Is it open? Yeah, it's open. Come over. See the happiness on her face. She's getting food now.
He's a cute guy you can talk to.
Okay, the ambience is pretty great. You wanna sit outside? You wanna sit inside? Wow, I like the vibe here.
Let's sit outside.
Yeah, you talk someone for a table of two. At least
See the one select
table of two. Yeah, outdoor, sure. The corner one. Please. Thank you. Happy? Jora, are you? Okay. Now I'm gonna do the noble thing. Go through our menus, have some good food, and then I'm gonna come back to you. So we have ordered our food and are waiting for it. But the first one came in and Jora is already on it. It's there on that side. Hi Jora.
Hi, I'm very hungry, so I'm eating.
French fries, nothing is better than that. We have not ordered much today because we have dinner to do back at the hotel. But we have ordered 2 Tibetan cuisines. No idea how that's gonna pan out, but we're hopeful. Until then, I'm gorging on French fries because I can. Joy aloo bhaja. Joy French fries. So our first Tibetan cuisine is up. This is a
Baglega.
bagel.
Baglega.
Seriously?
Bagle.
Chicken bagle.
Chicken bagle.
This is basically a staff.
Yes, you have seen. Now I need to eat. Hoy kaise camera? You have seen.
Okay, a stuffed paratha. Mostly. Okay, fine. Dig in. I don't want her to be furious with me. And our momos are here. This is a tuna momo. We have never had that before. So we're gonna try that too. Jora, your momos are here.
Of course.
Looks really good. So let's dig in. So the first bite, how is it? Become a connoisseur in food.
A lot like chicken momo. Tuna is good. Bhala hote.
Yeah, it's fish basically, na?
You should have it.
Yeah, and she's not a fan of fish mostly. Go for the other one. Try.
It's like new amount of patties. It's like normal patties. Yeah.
It's not paratha.
Your turn.
Okay, take the camera. Have later food. Okay. I am going for the first bite of this, right? Beri chole lo. Oh god. Okay, fine. I'm just breaking this up because I'm a Bangali like that. So, my duty. Patties.
Let me eat now.
Let me try the momos. Good. We're gonna finish this and then we are gonna come back.
Oh, hi. It's me again. I'm recording.
Oh, you're recording?
We are going back towards our hotel and we just exited. Yes, so we just exit. Oh my god, I'm so bad at vlogging. So we just exited the Tibetan kitchen restaurant and we're heading back towards our hotel. And the food here was really good. And we are full. And I have no idea if we can have dinner back at our hotel. And we missed a few specials. We can always come back later. There's always an after. So the night is dark and you probably cannot see my sister. Where the you? Sorry for swearing. কোথায় চলে গেছিলি? I thought তুই লুকোচুপি খেলছিলি। তোকে তোর নিচে না কেন?
Because the camera is facing you. Yeah. Hi doggy. Hi. There's so many. Finally, one done. Back to hotel. I'm preparing for tomorrow. Jora is completely full, and we just realized we ate the momo in 10 minutes.
Momo and the bug leg.
Bug leg. There's this handicraft and jewelry market. Let's go in.
Not now.
चलो 5 मिनट का है.
Bye, चल.
5 minutes.
অনেক ভিড় আছে, চল।
सौभाग्य बैनर्जी. This is beautiful. Hello. So day 1 at Ladakh is gonna end soon with dinner. So I'm off to the buffet. This is our room. So what happened is this place is pretty great. The ambience and everything. Yeah, so the package we took, we are getting complimentary breakfast and dinner free. So that's what we're gonna do now, dinner. I just wanted to give you an idea because there are many I've heard they don't have an idea about what kind of packages exist. Some charge a lot, some do not. We are actually using the services of the Himalayan cab. So everything you see is like their setup. So I'm already full. But yeah, let's try the buffet. You should never give out complimentary things. Jora pete jayega ache. Nice. There's soup, there's rice,
and I have halwa.
chicken masala.
अच्छा पानी पानी खेते मुख तो कोसे जैसा हलवा खेना.
Please show me the halwa. Sweets. Yeah. There's chicken. This looks so good. The sitting area. It's pretty cozy. Has this Tibetan feel and charm. Right? I like it. My God. Okay. When someone says she's not hungry and this is what she eats.
That's why I'm eating light now.
This is light?
Yeah. It's like one of my favorite dishes. And I'll have some.
You'll not even have chicken.
Nah, bhai, chicken always खाए. Oops.
I'm gonna try everything.
Really have chicken.
I'm busy having food now. Get back to you later.